Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class 6 boys. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine and will be taking good care of your health and studies as well. So today we have Tuesday 25th of May 2021 and today we have a topic of a formal letter, and today we are having this letter to editor of newspaper complaining about reckless driving, complaining about fast and rash driving. Reckless means fast and rash driving. So today we are going to have this formal letter which we are going to write to editor of newspaper, and our subject for this formal letter is complaining about reckless driving. So yesterday I had assigned you a formal letter that was about also editor of the newspaper, and that letter was about, I think so, open drains in your area, and that letter was to editor of newspaper. So yesterday I had taught you about the format and then I had given you a formal letter. So today I'm going to show you again a formal letter which is on this topic which we have here today. So I'm going to show you this letter which I have written over here. So here you have this letter. So before starting this letter, just take out your English grammar notebooks and then maintain your pages with full date and day, just like the way I have maintained over here. So today class work Tuesday 25th of May 2021, and your topic is formal letter, and this formal letter is to editor of newspaper complaining about reckless driving in the city. Now the first thing we have is examination hall, comma, city ABC, comma, 25th May, comma, 2021 and full stop. So this is basically the address of the person who is writing a letter, and I have told you about this earlier. Skip one line and then write down the editor, comma, Bahawalpur, full stop. Then we have subject in formal letter, and your subject is complaining about reckless driving in the city. Skip one more line and then write down here and start your writing the body of the letter, which is here. Sir, nowadays there is a great increase in the road accidents. There are a great danger for the public and a threat to life and property. Now in the first paragraph they are letting know the editor about the effects of having reckless driving in the city or in the society or in the town or in the area. In the second reason they are giving all the complaints or all the reasons for that they used to face about reckless driving in their area. The main reason of the road accident is narrow roads, fast and rash driving. The buses and wagons start a race on the roads. The drivers overtake one another on risky turns and thus cause horrible accidents. Now in the second paragraph they are letting the editor know that the reckless driving is because of the fast and rash driving on the roads. The drivers that used to drive buses and wagons, they start a race on the roads, and the drivers usually overtake one another on risky turns, and this cause a horrible accident on the road. The traffic police should keep a watch over the speed limit of the vehicles. Vehicles are like buses, cars, motorbikes, etc. There must be checkposts and surprise raids. The licenses of rash drivers should be cancelled and they must be fined at the stop. At the spot. It's not stop, at the spot. Sorry for this spelling. The spelling of spot is S-P-O-T, spot. You may correct over here. The licenses of rash drivers should be cancelled and they must be fined at the spot. Now in the last paragraph, the people of that used to face reckless driving, they are complaining and they are suggesting that the police traffic should keep a watch over the speed limit of the vehicles, and there must be checkposts everywhere, and they must have surprise raids. Raids mean a surprise checkup, and the licenses of the rash driver should be cancelled if they are running, or if they are driving their vehicles with the overspeed limit, and they must be fined at the spot at that time. And then they are saying that I hope through this column the government will take immediate and necessary steps to overcome this reckless driving. Now in the last few lines they are requesting the editor of the newspaper to mention this letter in their column, so that through this column government will take immediate and necessary steps to overcome their this reckless driving. And then end your letter by writing yours truly, comma, XYZ, full stop, and the ending line. So this is the letter which we have today, that is to editor of newspaper complaining about reckless driving in the city. So you have to write down this letter in your English grammar notebooks, and after that you have to learn this letter as your homework. So this is all about today's lecture, in which we have discussed this formal letter to editor of newspaper complaining about reckless driving in the city. Hopefully you will get this letter. This is all about today. Thank you.